Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how I got this look. Now I don't normally, well, even though I do eyeshadows, I don't normally like doing them just because they always end up not coming out right, or something always get messed up. So I'm never a fond of actually doing eyeshadows. So I'm kind of trying to push myself, and I think for this one I did okay. I just tried something new. This is my first time actually doing like a colored liner and whatnot. But anyways, enough with all the chit chat. Let's jump into this video. But before we get into this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. Without further ado, let's just jump right into this video.
Wait. Alright.
Okay, so my bad guys. I started doing my makeup already, but the only thing that I did, literally that blended, the only thing that I have on my eyes right now is just this color from the Warrior by Juvia's and the Nubian 3 Coral. I have this in my crease and I'm blending it out with the Canu from the Juvia's face. So right now I'm just using like a lighter shade color just to blend out the top. You know how when you do like the dark crease and then you do like a lighter color on top of it, and then a really light color under your brows, and then you just blend them all out and get them popping, whatever. It's all about blending, guys. Now I'm just going in with my concealer, and I'm using, I think this is a P.Louise base concealer, or a base. Actually, I don't think it's a concealer, but anyways, I'm using it to cut my crease. And then I am going to go in with a white shade to put in the inner corners. And I think I showed you guys the color that I will be using. So I'm just cutting my crease, and then I will be adding, the shades. So these are the shades that I used. I used the white shade for the inner corner, and then it's almost like a nude shade right in the middle, because I wanted it to blend out in the brownish shade that is in my crease. So I used the white shade in the inner corners of my eyes, and then a nude shade in the middle. But honestly guys, you could do whatever shade you want. It was really the pink eyeliner that I wanted to show. So I wanted to keep the eyes as neutral as possible, but still a little bit glam. But kept the focus mostly on the eyeliner, because that's what I was aiming for or whatever. But yeah, so the colors on the eyes it don't really matter what color you put on your eyes. It's up to you, but again, it's all about the eyeliner for me, not the shades. So I'm gonna let you guys watch as I finish putting these shades on, and then I'll come back when it's the eyeliner time. Also for the outer part, I went back in with the same dark brown shade that I used for the crease to blend out the outer corners of the cut crease. Now, when I tell you guys I struggled with this thing, I did. Okay? Because this eyeliner, I got it from Amazon. So I went on Amazon and I was just like, okay, let me see if there's any colored liner on Amazon that I can order. Because me personally, I like ordering like the cheap stuff before, just to see if I could actually work with them, and then order the good stuff, because I don't want to order the good stuff and then I get it and I don't really like it or whatever. So normally if I'm trying out something, because this was my first time trying out like colored liner, I always try to get like a cheap version of it and try to see if okay, I could do something with them. So anyways, I ordered it, but I don't know. I don't know if it's the application stick that it has or whatever, but it just doesn't make the color come off as pigmented or the same color that it is in the container. So what I ended up having to do was get like a small brush, almost like a paintbrush, and I had to pour out the liner, because it's a gel liner, it's liquid or whatever. I had to pour it out on the top of one of the dip brow thing. I had to just pour it out on top of it, and then went in with the brush and kind of almost like I'm painting. So dip the brush inside of it and then literally painted on the eyeliner. So that's what I ended up doing, because as you can see, it just wasn't working out. Okay, so I ended up having to use the brush, painted it on pretty much, and then I went in with the eyeshadow. It was a neon pink eyeshadow, just to get it to look full on pink. And then obviously went in with my gel liner and my black gel liner and did all the finishing touches. Okay, so now I am just starting my face routine, which is priming my face and then going in with my foundation. And for this video, I use my Clinique foundation in the shade Creamy Caramel. And then, conceal my eyes, and the concealer that I use is from the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I think this is in the color Creamy Beige. I think so, but it's whatever concealer you guys have you use. And I pretty much just did my face routine. My highlight, my contour is the same things that I always use, but I will put them down below so you guys can see exactly what the name of them is. And the only thing I changed was instead of using the setting powder that I always use, this time I use my Sacha Buttercup setting powder for my face. And honestly, I feel like I'm going to switch back to that because for some reason it just made my face, like, I don't know, but I just missed it. That's all I can say. I miss that. So I think I'm gonna start using it again. But anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys continue watching the rest of the video, and I will see you guys at the end of this video. Because again, the focus was on my eyes, guys, so that's why I'm not really explaining the whole face routine, because it's really about the eyes. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Also, I just wanted to stop by and say the lashes that I wore for this look was Act Up. So yeah, so this lash style that I'm wearing is called Act Up. I also have a full-on routine or tutorial on how to apply your lashes, so if you want to see that, then definitely check that video out. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope I see you guys in the next one.
Wait.